Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 27th, and this is my PM recap for gold. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked out here in the corner. And also, don't forget to take a look at my website if you would like to gain access to all the benefits listed below and more. So anyways, gold definitely did drift up a lot more than I was kind of expecting. I was thinking maybe one of these fib levels could possibly hold, but the key is definitely that you wouldn't go short unless you saw not only a fib bounce, but a break of structure at a Fibonacci level. So we definitely had a little bit of a fib bounce here and there, but there was definitely still higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. As long as it continues that higher low series, there's really no reason to go short whatsoever. Now, if this does happen to be still a wave A and a wave B, and it does bounce off this 105%, or maybe it drifts up to the 123, 138, and then it breaks structure after bouncing from a fib level, then at that point you could go down to a shorter time frame, try to get a zigzag pattern, and then ride this thing down for a wave C. But I wouldn't even think about going short unless you had a break of structure, then try to go down to a shorter time frames, get a little zigzag to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. Because I'm still extremely bullish on every single higher time frame. This thing does not have to make a pullback. It could literally go up, higher low, go up, higher low. So hopefully you understand what I'm saying about waiting for confirmation. You're not going to miss a trade if you wait for confirmation. So anyways, as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.